Paul Glazer, and today we're taking a little bit of time out to ask some journalists about their opinion about the Škoda Rapid. They write about cars every day, what a good car is, what a not so good car is, so it's going to be very exciting to find out what they have to say about the Škoda Rapid. I'm joined here by
Benjamin.
And where are you from?
From France, automoto.fr.
What do you think about the Škoda Rapid?
She seems really nice, really class, very good looking. I love the design, and I think it's a pretty good car to, you know, make long travels or going into holidays.
Okay, you said she is a car female in France.
In France, yes. Yes,
Yeah?
it's a car, the gender is female.
And you are just about to check out the insides of the car, were you?
Yeah, I was looking for the inside because I just want to know if it is as comfortable as it looks to be.
What do you think?
As a passenger, I think it's really comfortable. I mean, you can do a lot of kilometers in this car.
What are you looking for in a new car?
I'm looking for both design and usability.
It must be affordable, comfy, not too expensive, and reliable as well. Yes.
The feeling, if you could just say something about the feeling of the car, the design.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's actually it's classical, but it's modern.
I think this design is, for me, it's perfect.
Wow, that's a pretty good grade right there. And I take it, being a journalist, you have a lot of equipment always with you. Space, is that important?
Space is always important, especially if you have kids like me. Yeah.
I think it's pretty spacious, so you can put almost everything you want in the trunk or the back.
Like they have, in the whole car, they have these mats that you can just take out and wash and change and use both sides.
Wow, it's great. So you just can turn it around and...
You can just turn it around and use it and wash it.
Great.
What would you say that a car like this would cost in Cape Town?
I think around 200,000 rand, and that is divided by $84. I would say 20,000 euros. How would that be?
Well, if you came up to Germany and bought it now, it would be around 14,000 euros.
They're super cheap. That's why Škoda is so... all the journalists in Africa know about the Škoda brand, and because of that, good value for money.
Yeah. All right, that was it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us for this little segment, asking the journalists about their opinion and other people on the Škoda Rapid. See you in a bit in the next clip.